Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to do a review about this beauty right here from the brand Schuco in a 1/64 scale. And here we can see it's a VDOP T3L bus. Like I said, 1/64 scale. We got the barcode and article number. And we can see it's an official licensed product. That is what we like. Comes in a nice box package. So let's open it up. There we go. Diecast model. I think we need a tool. I hope that Schuco will switch to other packaging in the future. And then I'm talking about the Mini GT package, for example, Pop Race package. And I hope they're going to make more 1/64 scale models, because those are fantastic. They look very realistic, except for one thing. And I think you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the license plate. Got lensed rear lights, windows here all on the side, in the back, in the front. Side mirrors also made out of metal. And let's have a look inside the interior. Yeah, looks very authentic to me. Yeah, I definitely need new batteries. Oh, the power is gone from the flashlight. Yep, couldn't help it. In the next video it has new batteries. Very nice metal base. Schuco right here that it's in a 1/64 scale, and it's an official licensed product, and even a silver accent here on the back. I like that. Something that I think it has to look like a spare tire, and very good rolling wheels. Now, did I mention the lanced headlights here in front and the molded windscreen wipers? Okay, let's fix the license plate that's not there. Got a couple of license plates right here. Well, I'm going to do one in the back and one in the front. So we're going to use this one. It's an S. It says something about a place. Whoa. In Germany. The only thing I can think about right now is Stuttgart, but I'm not sure if I'm right. Okay, the other one was here. Then I'm going to use some gum. That's a little bit too much. We'll fix that in a moment. There we go. That is looking good. Now the remaining gum. Whoa, that is not good. You can skip this part if you want. See me struggling. Oh my god. And where is the license plate? Is it gone? No, it's right here. So, okay, this should be all right. And we only have to take this small part away. That's one. Okay, then the front. Okay. Wonderful. Okay, this is the best I can do. So now it has a license plate and it's now street legal. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this beauty. Have a very nice day. Bye.